Hello, my name's Ollie and this is Stavros. The transcript you can see below the video. Stavros and I are just going to have a discussion on, and you can follow that as you look at the transcript. This was a transcript that we made of conversation, a conversation that we had, and then I transcribed. So we want you to get a feel for how you can look at your own talk in the transcript and analyse it. So this is to give you a flavour of how the analysis works after you've made your transcripts.
You put a verb into the sentence and you put after that Rachel, which is an adjutor, but actually it wasn't that, and that's why I answered
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so at line 1, this is actually me talking, and as Stavros was saying, you've got this staggered start, what parts of and all of these hesitancy markers, and the micro pauses that he was talking about, just further kind of stagger and draw out this question, and I think maybe that's part of the reason that it's hard to kind of take in exactly what's being asked, and absolutely. I mean, the sense I got was that as I'm asking the question, I'm kind of getting no feedback of kind of understanding, like sort of receipt markers like or head nodding. So I kept trying to alight on a question which I was going to get some kind of acknowledgement from.
But really you could leave it at enjoyed. It would be a perfect sentence.
Well, and absolutely, in retrospect, I think that's one of the things that I've learned is to not worry so much about having all of the kind of all of the behaviours, observing all behaviours of understanding and just and then trying to go further and further until I get that, but just going with what I said in the first place. If it's not understood, then obviously you can make that known, when it's your turn essentially. But I kept sort of trying, and so you get this very extended and sort of complex question. At the end of line 2 there with Rachel. As we both agree, that's kind of the trouble source. It becomes
Rachel's trouble.
That detracts from the question itself. So in line 3, when Stavros.
I think when I said it's like, okay, what are you talking about? It was like not understanding the sentence. So you try to change it again. Well, I'm thinking, well, that happened. You try to change it again, and you, instead of lessons, which is a very simple word, you put foundation program, which is like more complex.
Absolutely. So in trying again, I've actually opted for kind of a lexical item which I thought was the trouble source. That he didn't understand lessons, and actually opted for something which was even more kind of obscure and a lower frequency word, which just seems totally sort of counterproductive. And then obviously sort of at line 6 it turns out that wasn't the problem.
And I tried to define the problem, what was the problem. So that's why I said we, because I was thinking like me and was it Jim? Yes, another guy.
It could have been. But I was thinking of Elias, I think.
Elias, Elias, sorry. And that's why we tried to define it, and I said we, and then I changed it and I said I don't have Rachel. So that's the problem, the main problem.
Absolutely. So I hope that you'll find the discussions over your own transcripts as rewarding as we have, and hope to have shown you that it's quite interesting when you're actually discussing the transcript with the person.
With the person that you did the transcript.
Absolutely. So thanks very much and good luck.
Bye.